So guys, here is the parcel. Let's open it. What's up, Will people? It's your boy Bilal Muhammad, and welcome back to another video, guys. So guys, I know my voice is a bit low. Just now I woke up. It's early morning, around 8:30, and it's Sunday, May 30. So I thought to sleep more, but unfortunately the delivery guy just woke me up early morning. Actually, there's a parcel which is coming from Mivi India. That is a surprise product what they are sending me. I don't know what actual the model is, what actual the product model is, but I am like pretty excited to review the unit. So अभी उठ गया तो कुछ कर नहीं सकता, जाके पहले ब्रश कर लूँगा. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sundays, and just be safe, don't go out. The cases are like really bad outside, so I just want you to stay safe. और एक बात, I know even my hairs are like messed up. देखता हूँ like if the lockdown just opens, I need a proper haircut for my hairs. So guys, the delivery guy has come. So I have said him to just keep it down in the parking lot of my apartment. तो उधर पे तो CCTV कैमरा है, कोई ले भी नहीं सकता. तो after having my tea, I will just go and I will just pick it up. So guys, the parcel is down. I'm going down to get the parcel. Like, I'm pretty excited to open it. So guys, the parcel has come, but it has come from out. पहले इसको सैनिटाइज करेंगे, फिर ओपन करेंगे. So guys, here is the parcel. Let's open it. Oh, I have received a Collar Classic that was like recently launched by the Mivi India. Let's open this. Here there's some description about regarding this headphone, where it says it's like HD sound quality, then light and comfortable in ear fit, super sound bass. Many things they have given here, many write-up things, splash and dust proof. So if we charge it fully, it will take around like 35 to 40 minutes depending on the charger, like what volts charger we are using. So let's open this. And the best part of this earphone is it's like proudly made in India. And if I speak about the costing, I guess this might cost you around like 999 rupees in Amazon or Flipkart. You can just buy it. I'll just put the link also in the description. So here, engineered and made in India, they have mentioned it. this is like some paperwork. Here you can see some paperwork by some writer, Push the Limits, the co-founder of Mivi, their signature, and here is the instruction how we can use this. There's few button controls where they have mentioned the controls like so we'll move to the earphones. Here are some extra buds. So here is the cable. It's a normal standard one, like Samsung pin cable they have provided here. And here is the earphone. Let's remove this. And it has a magnet where you can just wear it and you can just take it. It's called a earphone. So let's connect this with Bluetooth and let's check it how is the sound actual quality. So guys, let me just turn on this earphones. Okay, now let me just connect it to my phone. Okay, you can see here Mivi Color Classic, where it shows even the battery percentage, how much the battery is left in this earphones. So even while wearing, you can just see the mark, like it's left and right, where you can just easily see and you can just wear it properly. So let me just hear the voice of this.
And on we'll go.
The noise is like very clear and it has very powerful bass, guys. Just I guess I can't just show you how actually the voice of this earphone is. I guess you just need to purchase and you need to witness it by yourself. So I'll be just placing my link in my description. You can just check it. You can just order it online in Amazon or Flipkart. If you don't like, in case you can just return it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the small review on this Mivi Color Classic. So let me just repeat it once more. It says the Push the Limits and it's engineered and made in India. So let me just give a quick star rating on this product so that it will be very much helpful for you guys to go it for not. So if I speak about the product durability and the quality of the product, you can just see it yourself. Like it's tangle free, and I'll just give it 9 star out of 10. So if I speak about the sound quality and the bass, yeah, I will just give it around 8 star out of 10. So if I come to the battery backup is something like amazing on this earphones. That is 10 minutes of charge and you will be getting 10 hours of battery backup. But you can just take it has a 7 to 8 hours. Even that is like something amazing what you are getting only for charging 10 minutes. So guys, if you want to purchase, you can just visit my description. The link will be shared of both Amazon and Flipkart. The price is something 999. That is like really amazing for this beautiful product. So if you are planning to buy collar earphones, you can just go for it. So let's end this video here. If you like, don't forget to hit a like, comment down below, share it with your friends and do subscribe. So let's meet in some more interesting videos. Till then, stay blessed.